Running Man. You've all heard it. Hop on one foot, tap. You're gonna go down and out. So this goes down, this goes back. You're gonna jump in, you drop your right foot, and push the left foot back. Hip comes forward, up. You're going to keep going, do the same thing on the opposite foot. You're going to jump up, your foot's going to come up, your foot's going to come back a little bit, and your hip's going to come back, back's going to come down. And then all together, it looks like this. Repeat. This foot comes down, hip comes forward, body goes up, opposite down foot slides back. Down, up, and up, up.